Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, Gambia. It's becoming a dating routine that I'm frequently appearing on Facebook talking about the Gambia. And I thank all those people who are doing it because we can do this collectively, not individually. So mbemo beten to la wakam back. Nyimankentela wisti to be appearing on the screen, talking. But you know, sometimes you have something in your head. Our country is a country of young people, but the future of our country definitely are slim to back. The chances are very slim. Why? Because there is corruption, nepotism, injustice, you name them, etc. and etc. So Puruka will fight. Silence would not be able to do it. We have to talk. Ngajele Koteke Gambia, a new political party have been created again. So almost until you are saying, almost more casino le drong ye political party of form. Sajo esama. Akera famori. Muneben America do. Momo kasile drong aye mira drong a political party of form. Yes, in a democratic society, political parties are needed. But in Yantam Fangoninkala, this political party will minulka form. Why are they forming? And munomila dalilo tibe form kaminka. You have more than 3 or 4 or 5 political parties. Another political party added to that. Another added. Wo political party will min bebe form kan. Wolta fola no ko. Ntede nim political party will minul be form ta nteni wolla agenda manke kilinti nila policy manke kilinti. Foinin do tae ke kilinti walla is similar. Why can't you join ideas to work together? But every Tom, Dick and Harry left a kalo political. You know munem wola cost. Simply because of the kind of leader alien means soto. Because mobe fanan kamera loko. Nyinketa no president jang nte fanan sikeno atile. Everybody looking for your chance. So ibe left a kanaka fortune le make na banko kang just for nothing. Je Ibrahima sorry bale fanan ka party of form. Okay, fine. Bari ngamire science ay nombota 5-year jotnala isu sol moyle fangol diamta William Diamuta, Mr. Sanyang Diamuta about itelu just an organization itele corruption of the market or organization or kon. So if Ibrahima Soriba comes out, ntemalo IEC kamune criteria jube purka political party will register Gambia. I don't understand what Aliu Mamar Njai is doing at that place. Janiba iba announce la mole ko political party ole kutole register. Why not here for Gambian koleko? How many Gambians le register to go and vote? But we are seeing on social media again. Ika 2016 result le bondi mole ka fo mole ko nyine register ja. Why are we confusing ourselves? And we are giving chance to IEC even if they have a bad intention to do. We want to know IEC nyanta nyimfala molele kunung ko the total registered voters in the country for 2021 is this. Italy alone. Why are they hiding the figure? Why are they hiding the figure? What is the motive behind hiding this figure? Gambians wanted to know because we will start to speculate and do ninga speculation o kumase. Ninga speculation o kumase they will start to come. Yeah, they are talking about things that they don't know. We want to know. Why are you keeping the results? Because you have your voting registration centers. Every voting registration center need closed. It can number the number of voters you may register. So you have your statistic. Allah add together. Aliya for Gambia no leko. This is the number of voters. Me along registered voters. Will registered this 2021. Alman diaspora register. Aluma marinja ifindira janne ko alla target mu over 1 million voters leti. When talking to Gambians ko diaspora will vote. But now diaspora is not part of the vote. So Gambia Damalom, you have the tabulation. Tell the Gambian people that ko this is the number of voters million takakarto fay. Yes, sajo kunza isama. Inyanta wole fola Gambian kolye. Mol lafta wole lon alkana fen hide mol bari ila communication director finditale Mr. Kan ako imamira ko voter registration obe extend la because ya believe leko many ila target ya also. So why can't you tell us what is this target? This is why people start to point fingers at you ko ini adama kadiamule ikata adama yale ike yolen label and motokono ini mambure njai ini adama, which is to me rubbish to me. But if you want to stop those speculations, Dukare, be transparent. Aluma Manja, there is no secret. Gambian no lake carteo nyini. Tell them how many people registered to vote for 2021. How many people live a Siala within this 19 or 20 political party tema. Tell the Gambians. Gambians want to know. And those people minul fanalia lonko ye molu fake. So UDP no members by right now because they're there. Shouldn't UDP the members say no, because they have their yes, Nancy, but the fact of the matter is maybe we'll sit a mistake, no, but IEC is supposed to come out and then tell Gambians, go, yes, we have registered maybe 800,000. We have registered 900,000. Because Ninga Koro Siroke, many places, ila voter registration molo ajitale demanding de. We will see. Ajitale demanding. Alkawo 9,000 o minje foni fenke jana. Alkawo 22,000 minje banjul. This year they will not have it. You know why? Because ghost voters. Our agencies have done very good job. Very good job. Voter registration o jitale. Because many people utumo ya jamme mol kanale ka jia Brikama College no. Mol ka jia YMCA. Mol ka jia Friendship Hostel at the stadium. Ika register. Ite mu Gambia dimut. Iko ite bota bakaule. For example. Ite kamune jia stadium oto kata register. O ni karte fayo site na este stadium o yal samba hotelon. So ya jamo was transporting people. Yala wole atina. Ni mol ka diamu. Billahi mbenyim problem o mimbe kono. Yaya Jammeh is the architect of it. Because ayena system o bele mutaya be damage. And kanyin system was sanitized. We need a serious person. We need a person mi alonko atafola ko nyimumbarin net. Nyimumma maleti. Nyimun sanauleti. Honey, we need somebody. Wala nanteko. Honey, lawyer Usainu Dabo. Naketa president. Alama alayewoke. Nko. Anti-corruption commission. Anti-corruption commission. Akana Gambian keje. Akana African keje. Dukare akana Asian keje. Woli ka ulfanal manipulate no. Dukare ay tatuba bolu kan. Hani EU na koyko lafitala aliyemma koy. Hani mo fulado. Let the head anala assistano woli yeke bantalan coat yeke tubabol ikana na Gambian keje hani ya kalindi alquran kemelela ikana keje I am telling you. Suto ebe tala ya, molu ba kolla, alma molu ba kolla, morolu ba kolla, e ba fala ko, ha, butung yalong, dunia, setano le keta bulu, butung alsa jube nyo fe, nga doman, nga fenki. Doman tije, mba foka ngeyele, kabirin sain, nga fole, nga fo, imaje be bunja lole, buka mo danku. They are doing it. Ibe cool kele la family le. Imagine be daring. Intelle be ngiri ngara kang Facebook oto. La yango da kola yatale. Itelle be daring ne. Ibe sajio sanna ni meke kwa nini sosi la fikanyan. Bar fuarol felenti bi. Muna alta Gambia bang. Nunto. Ula randingo drese dinu beje ye borne la mole. Na. Mbaba nso koro lankata yasa lesa. Salka yasa janoje silokan. Abuka je. Because Charlie Murusaba $50. Ebe yasa jani no la nyadile. Na dinno lu nyanta protein min domola nge balala. Mobe hainanje, mobe dehydrator, mobe malnourished. Ibuka understand. Because they not eating the right food nyanta min doma. Dindi wo dindi family nyanta fonko domola le every day. Salamu alaikum Tom. Luwolung ila dinni wala nyanta fruit sol domolale bari dindi njelle ka fruit sol domo Gambia je simple things ntella mol buka o sotono nka foko ntella banko bitaga isi moja self contained correct ngolo abuka domor kendo fan sotona la suokon kabrin kunun ko ntene na family buka diamuno fokunu I have to call a friend of mine ayala moto mala ay tan na suokono pour nina mole diamuno iman kurango soto ila frigo kono fengol mil bije ibebe tinyala imanka kurango soto na fami ibe ila power banko no power ila mobile phone solo birindingol fonna muso la sisters motije minna mobile obe on ibela mobile all flat they are all flat Gambia le be wonyam in this time storm bota ke kan Gambia mol malo mune muy la family la problem ot e buk ini mobuka diamno we are saying everything is fine luwoli be mbadan la political party kutole formuta political party kutole kanana fonkole kanana it's not bad but let those political parties yeta ye fangolu jube bang ite fangu jube so IEC alkana molla wato jani communication director Mr. Khan ngelonne de you are a good person albo siring bankola secret kan there is no secret in this alien tele register alafo mole we want to know nyanta la kalon political party sol la agency sol be dawo da wolsa lon nole bari nga moy nun janne iko ika closely ni close for example ye number of registered voters me register the following day ni na de ko number kata high which oyente jakali back because ni be close la IEC kaitan leko ndanta okay nga mo 200 le register B every agent will enter that 200 against the date. So sometimes nka accusation or killer but ntebuka understand no, but it never confuses me. I become confused there. Because sometimes nka lo nko okay more level skepticism, people are worried. People don't trust these people. Bari nkane be fanang mutako manyane trust la. So IEC please alfintinang ale result of molie. Alfinte ale result of molie. Alfinte ale result of molie. There is no secret in this. IEC there is no law kafoko ni IEC pareta registration ola alnyanta kila Adama Barole aya veta ajube hanide. Adama have nothing to do in this. So IEC you are totally independent. So whatever albe minke kan alfinte alia for moleko 2021. These 45 days, ngani mona ngamle register. alfinta ali afo mole journalist ol please altalo IEC bundato ali nyini kanyi questionol ali boloring jumale coalition otinya coalition o miyo otinya ali wolone Halifa Sallah Oje Jallow Adama Barrow aning mo kotenglo wolle coalition otinya you know why ge ka Gambia no la tonya fo balia ma fo abe par minul kanna kuol bondi jama la tonya fo balia kalo muneto birin dunia baya wulu Gambia is the last country min nene coalition ala fonye coalition dunia mumela bekono akata nyami Gambia akake dunia dulal to jumal tonya ntebe banko min kanja political party kilin nene buka rule no coalition government doron neka Germany samba bari CDU CSU wolkala nyokane always Christian Democrat and Social Democrats either ni Christian Democrats wolo Angela Michael la patrioti anim patio mimbe bayan wolkala nyokane always so ila major opposition party in Germany here is SPD bari ninyinul nata power to ikajubele ida SPD uda FDP wala partido linke uda grun ininjumale be lala no nyokan pour isi threshold nyin soto no ye government form bari nyim pati ringol le kala pati balu kan akake wala nyama jang anyanta wala nyama Gambia bari butung ntelula molu minulu ko itello mu professionality on journalism ibuka pare nyine tonya fola Halifa ba fola ibe resign la lete tarra patito ni be lola député yala ibe lola independent ala fonya dunia kono coalition no yeke iko député o bebe lola independent barali Halifa ali ajele de mimbatu nkali ya moyle hani National Assembly kote ka ya fojele ako sefol ning alkalolu imanyan ne dabula la fonkoto molla carte fayoto ka fuko be mansale support la ayofo ngamol yebe podila nkali ke kude Halifa mu muro da fulaleti ay mim fo wala mu tonyati bari wala fota kabiring ay mim fo wala mu tonyati de bari wala fota bari he can change anytime because I nyine keja fo Halifa le ma fo ko 3 years o nyanta jila le nyanta fege a seta birim patiol yela position ta drom anata ay position do fana fali ay kuma do ako nimman keku na banko sita dum fitino ko no be sita ki refejil bar Halifa le bota fo la jam kote ke ko nimman keku Senegal will take over Gambia as a National Assembly experienced person fo Halifa nyanta o sifal fon fola. But these are the words minul kabo adakono wala yatinante nimi ya mutako nteka respect le I respect him because munom he have a gray hair munom he have served the country in the political domain I respect him but Halifa confuses me and he never amazes me again never because munom problem oti what he used to say ni Halifa la experience with Tembo Minto Halifa Jumale be Halifa kila president we don't need a job trainee you need to know the job ngane keje take the responsibility biriko Halifa ke minister ti janga mansion akama la fi safla mo kotomi alon ko ba bailal munat ne be baila he's a good person abakata kambari double standard $1 kawle play let people try to understand very very much in this bari mokana nendirike mokana kamola mokan we discuss agree and disagree constructively so IEC mbal danila alfinte alia fo mole this is 24 hours now coming to 48 hours alman finti ka fo mole go nyino mu di total registered voters te muna be caring ali alongo ngamira Banjul ikoy Lord Mayor Samba Kitiola because I have attestation already. And wo Banjul nkolu minule Sambaroke Kitiola plus that civil society organization iko Roy Malik Law is not qualified attestation of the andung attestation of the minul tate voters kato soto will be nyanta abolish lale they have so say nyil ko registration of closely and but matter be court matter be court yo nga jele social media molba fokango Roy Malik Law won and he need to be compensated $1 million and in fanang Kuma Jamal hani defense council lewo apply Rohila defense council Lord Mayor like loyal wolle wo apply application o nyinke case nying is in court amambam follow but the case is going to interfere is going to be rubbish. It's just a witch hunt. And in this civil society organization is not a civil society organization. They are part and parcel of some political parties like DOI. Because Halifa following in noise maker, I will take Rohi to court. Ntega amira nunko Halifa would be helpful and see the future of the young people, and I have to go, no, 3 tons of cocaine I will take the government to court. Munatina Banta Kamara Manje, Munatina Odroko Lule, and National Assembly should know. In fact, National Assembly, they should have made a committee, me Alonko will be responsible of monitoring that 3 tons of cocaine, so that Asilona Bekela no Nyadil, Jumala Alo Benyamin sign. I know ko Dunia is watching mol nka mimira fana wobe tije. Dunia is watching nying 3 tono. Dunia be korosiro la bakele. Because ni ata nunko Interpol man involved no. Tombi nko sa nka mimfo nte ofola. Bari ibe molu nyinandika wati ye mol learning nyama boto muta ye mol learning for good job. They're doing very well. But if you want to know about the cocaine, so nilom quality minule alonko kumayata bake alnga try nkana distraction all be caring ne kujamal le be caring minule alonko people are doing alnga itandi kon tell we want to focus on something. So IEC should come out and tell the people how many people they registered to Gambia. Yes. O kumayara bakele. Owe kumayala bakele. So kunu nga moy King FM la news to iko trade ministry inim bang wa fulal diamuta ko they will remove taxes na manke la cleaning fee kaminjo for the environment bari be taxes all bondi la wol kanne so that it's la yangol dadi andi without having any agreement with them kaitandila ko sadio mi weta such kilola alnyanta wafula 10 woman soto but mbenga ngamira mano is duty free. How much is a bag of rice? Ibukela homo kol kede albe saji wafula albula kanne pour ye mol kangol kuntu andum ali alon ne muno alma millon ni amira kon telmu do follet most of these people itelle fanka kodo di nyin saji wafula la ni nyin sisino sita itelle ka kodo di nyin saji wafula la e ko ta saji sanna yena wafu so that they could get huge profit. Mo jamale ka kodo di saji wafula la pour yena nyinke. Will be caring. So, do you think that they would like their business to run down of profit? No. They will want higher profit. So, ikanyine ken telula. But Gambian call mami understand. Mune ya tinan kalayango fa. Bi itebe mirakan ila bun kankarango tinyata. Ibe dani rola. Purmolie makoy. You thinking about inyantaka layango fa. Alama mo batandi de. Layang fa kukende ba bar niya soto. Layango manyan na donto la fang. Nenda sanal. bari nyingiri ngaro mun bebe kering lafta la yangolla malla yan sotono ha dimbaya ko tonyalo mu dindingulu woluka sulale baba walla naye sajio na julo sambanan andu mobe laftale pour momo mu misilmoti il laftale pour yewo keno bari ko ete ko la yango felenti 10,000 12,000 ite ta yewo sang banna salo e tambi fango regi problème o soto imam mano soto ya idingol mantano karambu ngoto but just because iko la yango le fa bawa la yam fem fa abino ngojita no ni mal la yango soto no moro ala muta ni tata subole sanno ya sambanela dimbayale fine ni nyewle soto no ya sambanela dimbayale fine bar wokane bula julo tala akane bula ibite fandundila fento mi ya lonko sama asike ngay boti ite baraji soto la je ibe bata drone soto la je nyilla yan wa fulal tela la yan lu jindila ita jindila de ngamira disaster la keta Gambia doron wo samolo korgetol ni yirol ni period dal lafa mol mil ka dua pour ma sibo e boy banko kan pour ite la business o se escalate no nyami mo wolka wole dua ma sibo e boy banko kan ite la business ning ay escalate ay ta santo alnga sabari God is there for everybody nimi ma soto wala okay saji kotongo wala kumayata wala mu number 1 ti but sometimes ikamol jele milman sembo soto ye deng mo 7 ka denno le ni sosa ya tala nalma wo keno nalma soto no la yawlu 16,000 20,000 18,000 10,000 15,000 moro wo sembo wartale Germany jang ebella yango min sanna 150 euro sajio 150 euro ha kala saji balati bar niya jube wol ka fo 150 euro kana fuko science imbe na calculator tala na calculate to Gambia de Gambia is thousands mune atindante lakodo la value ka jiwo nyama Gambia buka fem produce Gambia is just Gambia okay wolu ikadin telulale ni tata World Bank World Market dollar like I use not even euro or pound so Gambia la business obe tembo mindo imaje saji wafulalu mama nkata saji sanin sefale la nkata sanin fonkol la nkata sanin nyinela nyimbe mu la tricksol leti pour be kodo la fala nyami Gambia nkolu kan kare mo kane fangu bula kodi dontola mo kane fangu batandi ni ala ya dila ya soto ya fano ila dimbaya li fine yes pa 150 manke kodi jamaati jamani jam okay nsafo ko kodi jamalo mu bar butu niye mira Gambia la fana niko la yamu $150 lati Gambia ibe family jela korda kono mo be ba sanna hani dingul fa be ko $150 pour be ya sam mo be ya fa mo ni la saji killing but Gambia you count thousands andu munom problem odi a digital tel tuwab du tala le kambaki ala telephone jube moje le kal inbox how can you do it alta kela no andum bi felendi tuwab du tala jamale toku yata Gambia imam beteya ibuka mo makoy ndesan bar Gambia nkolu jama bije ma fahamle aman sotole. You see, aman sotole na sotota Gambian dintija mi ya lonko iba fula ko kodo hayna laringa la banka jama ba atije karo ka fale rek yela kodo be bondi la bank yewo be domo ye karfa do batu. So what they have to understand is that ko mol minul bijang mimwila advantage because of ika insurance olu minulu jo ike la pension olu minulu jo ike la health insurance olu ni insurance kote olu minulu jo. So they have that guarantee wala mun nalla different bar kodo te lari mo bulu jang Gambia altel ka hani fengol mil dunna ntel bu ko wol dunno alka hani bayolu minul dunna mol bu ko dunno jang amam possible mol bu ko dunno jang bari ika Gambia le ni watin kono ika musol jele ye samatolu bagolu bayolu ye bondi be sifa killing ya bondi Facebook oto iko ka wafule. It's fine. Purunia sotono yela mo nganyande. Abete atale. Bar mune atina ni mol ma sota understand ka kole bulu. Niko they don't want to hear ko ma soto. Ise bari musoje wale fonko ibitang wala modo ay kumo foye ika he ni wati ngo kay kolbe kolar na man soto. Butung asikumasi ina tema stressola. Well, nimi ya understand tengam fangolonne. I understand myself. Ngalo nembita kan true minna. Nobody would force me. Barimbe min fola nabadi ngol fanale minul betu abdu. Nimin se mimma koy no alinge ma koy. But you know, alinga diamuye. Let them try to understand. For a call understand. B. Tuabdu nala al felenti. Ibuka hani keno fango sanno Gambia. Many people wanted to do something back home. But ibuka sanno. Wala niye kodo di momin na je kaiko. Keno sanye. Aita kene wafula ya kaiko hinyina. Kaito dadanye drong. Nia fenkera ko nga keno sange jan ya tara ya lonko keno nyin ama sang ate fenne di wala we kaito dada keno mu modole tati barate ya lonne nyille be caring isama oncle isama nyille be caring ise doluje isa foy ko nga kordale sange nga bullore mbandingole sange walla mbela bungolo kan dol ka kela nyama paramansia wo beka ke jumal la to abdu taala bari ka nyinale ko nyinde any moment a financina no Gambia bari ni nata Gambia sai ke treat nyaadile ni ko be mama ne ka fol sinaje be dendela e ko amanku kututeno to abdu anara jaka be sonko ke walla ye nyo wulindi na inata e ko Sajo ini Musa le denda ni Musa mete la fengotinya ali la moy nyin statement of fan na te mete la fengotinya abe jumal la fentinya kale nyil moy ikanyi nek sabari okay so nyin lom kolti minul ya lon ko ka tara kering Gambia mo tuabdu tala jamale beje minul ya lonko ibenyim problem o face kan bari tuabdu tala dol fanal beje they have no problem I mantra nyim problem o face kan but because they are running out of their responsibility wala yatin ika mabo nyim problem o koma ya tare fangol mantra ka kataku ke jang pour min satin nan la sama aske no fente sama because funding ke ay dolu nene. To Abdu is nice there. Alayalom, you have freedom. You have total freedom. But in telling a cultural soto. Be in telling Uncle Bambo Kabe Diamulanye Bake, nsa disrespect. Because of Munum, na feel kosa abe damin tebe waleto. No, it's not like that. ni aja be kumandila be ya marla laftela samalela mi ya lonko tomorrow bi mbebe foninke yari sembo be molla mbitala do kola bina bar sama ititala no kunu ndesan ndebe bola do kola ninna do ku nyo do benta tata retirement la ngamira ndebe do ko start la o do ku la wato minna 13 years ago ndesan atele ku jama itandina. Yesterday I nearly cried bring ngaje. Ala wife banta mamme tubabolom ngaje namina ka ala kay lota na nyo konton kay ko barante famatela akonye ko mankende ya yen operate le sinya fula ala kay tol bonde pour an kay no man jarwala kay kata mun tol aka kata supermarket wala to. Okay. Akonye go musa ante kai anytime I can go man. Be like no feel back. Tele I inkarandi ku jamala na dogula. So bring ayo fonye ngamirantal. Nko yes, human being is nothing. Nyimbe mbele nyaro. Yes, Malik Caesar. Be like, it was so sad. Nyim find come very difficult to talk about it. It was really, really sad. Adama Dingo, ye endless soto. You have a timeline. Go. Na alfalule until a mother is not alive, na father is not alive. They would love yenje ten kadiamu Gambia la kuoto, but they don't. But they train me. Wherever they are today, I believe they are in good hand. Alama alay arjano dealer, but they train me. And I'm trying to go through this routine and laftale mfanangandingol train in a better way. Nine ya tinankali ko. We have to be watching people minuli alonko. They will add value to our lives. This is my reason of fighting that ko. People supposed to boycott Fatu Camara. This is my reason. Because in a platform mi alonko iteka violence le sambana iteka mol kuma kangol le sambana mi alonko ase fitino wulendi iteka kangol la molula iteka puru danko drong itela viewers or itela financial benefits itemoka Cairo advocate bankola kuoto moro wosembo wartalde so oto molu nyanta fenne jubela mi yalon ko sama ni dingul nyaaje samuta ko kukendolo alin kana woke nko I repeat this and repeat this and repeat this. Fatu Camara be diamu mimbela ala tuja diamu mune difficult Fatu Camara bulu pour ka finti ka fo moleko nteni ibe forcer kan UDP la executive le nyanta nala ya fonte ko ni wole discourse. You see how Fatu the masses for malongo executive wol fanke danku masses la wol me fankeje molle keje, so the power belongs to the people. Bari maja jututa molula bari jututa molla elafta wol ye jube ni momo ya miracle. Yes, along Fatu, I like her, but until man Fatu hate never. Oh, ala programo ka interesting. Yes, because nendirola ka keje. Bi nintebe nendirola nunjang. Mfintita nambe mole nenkanu. I will have maybe more than 200, 300, 500 viewers. Just now. Yes, because nendirola ka keje. So Fatu nyanta wole understand. Fatu Camara mune ya tine itela video. Mi ya lonko ikoebe Adama Barrow nenna dami ni moye tenen sa ilo video muna nemo di Fatu network le yo fanam post into your network, but because you don't want even people to see that we money la abe molu bulu ni wante no ni se o delete no everywhere you would have done. bari ko e kebale nen ikana se ka fuko oncle Usain ntenga o respect ite le oncle Usain disrespect mo beti fombo fa amera mol malon ite jang ite sita janne wati nena sototano ifamate la platform do folungo minne Usain Dabo bay bire Usain Dabo bay rek yela me solo ko de famala tara wolu la platform I remember that vividly ye news di wo bening titar ba ila fonko bari wo mu ila right leti ni man Usainu like imam Usain la political party like you have your choice choose a political party but kana molu sambane la platform de ka fuka la neng momo ka fuko ha fatuma nyinge fatula mu CEO di for God's sake ala fonye korda jumale be ite mari la korda kono iwulu fa taraje ila alfa le taraje wolom suti oti ite nananje ikwete lebe suti yala ota abuka kenu suti fula buka so fatula authority lebe fatu network ay wondongol minul be ba fula ko Carlon president wol mu honorary position ledi wol they have no voice fatu is in control atelamu so anyanta fintilale yela decency jube yela family jube ila family mu family kendoleti ye wolu jube ye fintina ye alfalu bolosey isaje sama motete fana nenna fatu biri ye nenjang gambian kol ya fo moye wo ma fo moye molle fintita yi lota ye defend andu minul be ka foko fa fatu mu journalist for journalism alta journalism la tam sol jube bang fo abijele ko journalist o nyanta kam finti ka nendiro insight on their platform ateje nyum Sunday football o min keta ngajele bi many people are in solidarity to those black players even Tubabo dol are in solidarity because of a racial discrimination o min kela losing penalty but what Tubabo minuli amira ko wole penalty loosely so they have to segregate them ima hakilo le soto because the trainer of that team Gary Southgate 1996 he was the youngest player for England. Atele England na penalty lose no. When they went penalty shootout with Germany, almost 11 player be a penalty kickle. Gary Southgate, mimu trainer presently at England, wole a penalty lose no. I remember Ndesan, who was the coach no that time. Terry Venable or Benyinata mimu coach that time. Inate because dindingolo Martin that time. Inate ya muta. Mobe player be amuta ya console ya make so kai comfortable because of our age Benjamin so that I can because isilatala numfanko he might commit suicide. So today ni wole penalty lose ika hadama dingula hadumo lo woleto in a competition muna ni tele nyandaka kopotano muna atina EU fonko European man kopo chikara ko angale lali hin bari ko saying teams are going to compete so that one winner will take foite teamol mil bute etel fisiata wolt bari mol law racial discrimination o me ka foye birin Twitter lomba fo Facebook lomba fo YouTube lomba ika jindile ika wala comment sol mutale ye be delete and those platforms are bigger than your platform but woli yo kele Gambians are demanding from you ko pour peace and stability yes ken na bankoka nyinke ika fo mole kon tamantakela fo no wala executive wol findida isiye batuje wallahi na executive wol naltele fatu rich mbe findila jam ntal nenna bari mbayi tan la ko nyilu jutu tan tellale because ntelle wo executive wol keje fo fatu lo mu jumaati fatu na la executive le sita birin bitala ila platform pour ye diamu so mune bat nan tel executive have to talk to fatu fo fatu itelo mu jumaat yalon fatu camera sometimes ni hani ko manta diamu la ko fo diam ntema la ka fa ngomuta muneti andum wallahi mbenyin senkan na fatu yele inyanta min understand la hey ni ko kodo katinale mobu ka fa Prince Charles Farmer, Prince Philip ate fala. Prince Philip ate fala. Ibe jilale ya lonko Gambian ko leke jube. Yes. Nkoyajel, more than 10,000 people unfriend you. Wolbe munila friendlet. They were lovers of your platform. But now why they don't want to associate with you? Because you are the one who is insulting now. Because Italy will keep into your platform. So Italy will chief insulted now. And we are going to stand on this as long as Nim process the caring. No, Sergio, I'm not wasting my time. It's not a new time where so I will not be here. Mandrana time or waste can. We need to tell her. But in England day, silence means consent. Fatu damma manke moti miya lonko asamuta ko atele nyanta ka diamu mole. Mol fanal si diamu no aele. Al nga diamaye, nga fae, nga itandala ko ibe minke kang is totally wrong. Wala mukuti miya lonko abe caring. So mina danna jang doku wato sita mina tal doku wala sama felenda abel dipakante la jang kende ke fawde bari maje mina tal ni Gambia lom ibe sila le fo sama e tey ni meke ko wolum fay tita e ko gokunu sama le muta bari jang hanin kungol tet mbitala mbitala de inshallah sambe mbeddu na jiyo ko no ngata ha so al nga continue nga nyim boycott nga mine fananje nga jele eko Fuladu is it Fuladu West ila UDP chairman o kata la NPP nga je kote ke asafe kanyanta tala fonkoto bansang UDP biroto ikaka manta ndebe min fola mole atata amanta al nga focus nganna political party dada mo kana kuma jaw fama naka tatale aning molie do kol ke kunu ala kata kol le ken safa e numbara na ako amanta fana nga fangole je video to janga tisa to dum ay nday kuma le fo maybe yalon model intelligental de askeno fana at fenne ya sije atata wole lamoy atata wole jube atata wole korosi. So alinka na kuma jaw foama bari mbe min fola wokke ba fanaye ni mu misil moti ibukata arjumo jamaoto yeta dimaso church mo buka dina fola batude so ni aje ni molu be bulo tilinela ya soto elale de kana ke ni atre manta kana ke kanata je na ni e kumandi manka mankunda ibita munyini naje ikata mune nyininje 2016 Adama me kumandi manka mankunda ni aje bi Adama bete kumandi la ete sute no mol kono fakete kumandi manka mankunda ala nafalo mu mol mil ka wuli ka foko ntata ndanku president la yalo ni president ye kumandi bite dankula je ite ko president mi mantara takuka ya marla jelle bewbul ite be muna fola wo be tela kumo mi moy la na manke ko na yelanka yen support mimbe fokam fana APRC la kuoto ma kalango long folo fotonyante ma kalango londe bari fo nyanta kelante le surprise letivan okay Malik Toure ebe kamara gundankol ni sise kun Toure gundankol feño Sanyam kunda kay APRC fo wol nyanta mole surprise laba barin kaliyele ko al APRC tuje ngoy ko itel ni adamay lata adamal itel ni wala be coalition okela adukara ali tuje ya foy e ko itel bita loyal ya nini adama be min agree la pour yo alta loyal ya champion Adama Barrow of Jaffa. Alka tell ni wala kata la nyokan. Alko because of alman love UDP le na power. Atutal buluje. Atutal buluje de. Mote mira la liye jande. Niano albe yeta Adama Kang. Bara altel bang. Altel de hani sila Adama la pera fa encore. Altel de hani sila Adama la pera fa encore. Abe minto ni Adama yo soto. Abe tama fadi kela altella la ilaha illallah Muhammad rasulullah Adama Barrow bari nga samba albal la mol jela because ye min foy ko e motol le dila ibe tara motol farantankula hani isam so ta sanna ila baluwo si nyinya isi manol nin kol samba altel mili nyanda carte o fayla albe tani la aliye ngay aliye bata ngonna alberga be marso algata dukar altala Adama Kan alko because of Adama le be ya ngalele ko ni Yaya Jammeh diamo o man rantel na le table kan Yaya Jammeh ka dara li fol kulinti la lol ka borle lu wolum akam ne batu Byron kanata do ko la bari samambe free la tomorrow I have a very good topic mbe min kachala just ni munna mol sa moleti drong sama somanda ni ala yake wala tilibulo mbe program o kila I have interesting topics that I want to discuss ha wo ni call ke woto fanga be diala nyabaki now I have only maybe 5 minutes now nganata no wonte no I would nse no mbake no je e call so Adama Barrow niminko wallahi ngali ajele nan lawe diamola aka ko min jimi la ilaha illallah Barrow man nasi dukare alta alaka na liman na al kube kelal tella la ilaha illallah luwa min alman tankalala de ni alman tankalala bar ni ko Adama woluna fanga ba fole ko ala na motol samana yes ala na motol samana nkale ajele ngamira Ahmed Bale ka fuko mben ndela patio anala congress la ka ba dila Adama la mol ba fala Ahmed Babe derina Ahmed Baye nyine fa Ahmed Baye nyine fa Ahmed Babe han mo kilim fa mantra Adama la interim committee kono ala NPP han mo kilim amantra je deputy party leader woman soto mol ka mira koy bo dila Ahmed Bal ni ano kan hana di Ahmed Bal de adi Ahmed Bal ni minority leader la together e mo fulo kati Adama wala ko be larin kene balato je Rambo Jata Fabakar Tombon Jata fenke Yankuba Koli nko bari foy man street o tolanu Yankuba Koli la Serekunda biri Yaya Jammeh bi iko forcer be o street o command la won Halifa Sallah mune foto nu oh my god anyway wato banta mina tala do ko la mba fola le ko dukare APRC woning Adama Barrow la nyoka alinkana hani wo ke kacha tati wo mantel la time always ntelebe tembo minto bi alinga make sure ko IEC ya fo molye ye model le register lafta wolon nan sula tawala alinga make sure ntel la political party nga make sure ko mbe kuluo ning politiko min sambakan nga continue wala nga na policy wafu nga mbulo yele mole APRC kol bena kam bake UDP o APRC dingol mu wol mu forol leti wol mantara politiko ke kam ko nyanta kodole dilela Rambo Jata e fondin kewol la kulungo kodo beta janga be muluku malaka wo malla fi wo tonya e findi wo be ko bele kala mili nyanta o tonya findin la pour wol kananade pour altel dingol la future ye kulungo diala jande pour alla dingol fondin kewol be fango balundi la no nyami aya muluku malaka aya ka fango tati abe nafala ako altelu ani alkara chalo san ndesana al dingol felenti wularo ka yasal sanno sai mo be nyingo tinyata fende sai ka nyim botas kochol le dada tangal ndem dinol mbuka tit peso use buka tit bro so use nyingol bebe tinyala ibuka protein domono mo bebe sukuru courant so because sukuro. Well, anyway, ala baraka beddan na janneto ñimu just good morning program o loti dro ka IC remind lo ma nin ka mol remind ko nga continue ka Fatu Camara boycott ala nga boycott na sister nga na sister e manjele ni ano e findi nan ko te ke na fati ntele ila fati fato e weda UDP la kan nendir ke bang UDP pu kan nendir ke bang ete wolonne e ko ete nin kebal diamta kebal ka ha bari feng yalo ida ete amiretel da kalanta mol bet muna mol kete jelele. I'm telling you, you just frustrated. Iman lafika o admit mba wulenke nze on friend nge on friend fonge fango on friend fonge te fango je fango on friend. Allah baraka. I thank you all very much. Sadio, thank you. The boycott is working. Allah baraka. Thank you so much.